Bonjour, in this GCSE speaking exam practice video, we are going to try to answer a question from theme 1, topic 3, which is free time and media. So the question is, est-ce que tu préfères la télévision ou le cinéma? Okay, as always, you can download the support guide or you can get access to the support guide if you join my community by clicking the join button below. Anyway, let's try to answer this question. Est-ce que tu préfères le cinéma ou la télévision? Now, in order to get the highest mark possible, you need to have all the ingredients for the good recipe, okay? And in order to do that, let's have a look at the tense first of the question. Est-ce que tu regardes? So the tense is in the present tense, okay? And so that means we are going to answer in the present tense. If you wanted to make it more difficult, towards the end of your answer, you can add another tense. For example, last week I went to the cinema and I saw this film, okay? But let's have a look at what I've written here. We can add to that. You can choose and pick, by the way. It is not the perfect answer, but it's certainly close to a perfect answer. So choose whatever you want from it. J'aime le cinéma. C'est mieux que la télévision parce qu'on peut voir les films sur un grand écran. Cependant, les billets de cinéma coûtent cher et je n'ai pas assez d'argent de poche pour y aller souvent. J'aime aussi regarder mes séries préférées. Par contre, les gens téléchargent les films illégalement. Je suis complètement contre tout ça. We do like when you give your opinion. Ok, je pense que, à mon avis, je crois que, etc., etc. So try to use and give your opinion and develop your answer as much as possible. So here's my answer to the question. Est-ce que tu préfères le cinéma ou la télévision? J'aime le cinéma. I like the cinema. C'est mieux que la télévision. Now, this is very important, and I would ask you to try to do as much comparative as possible, whenever possible, of course. C'est mieux que, it is better than, okay? C'est mieux que la télévision, so it is better than television. Why do you think that is? Always develop. Parce que on peut voir, one can see, or it is possible to see, on peut voir. And by the way, knowing your pouvoir verb and devoir and vouloir, your modal verbs, is really important. In the present tense, you don't have to know them in different tenses. Though vouloir, to want, is good for the conditional as well. Je voudrais, I would want, or I would like, okay? So, on peut voir les films sur un grand écran. So the reason why I love the cinema so much, because you can see film on a big screen. Okay? Learn that word, écran. Écran, because that may be useful for you later. Cependant, so however, cependant, okay, I'm having an adverb. Cependant, néanmoins, you can say par contre, etc., etc. Use them as much as you can. Les billets de cinéma coûtent cher, okay? The cinema tickets cost a lot of money. They are expensive. Ils coûtent cher. Et je n'ai pas assez d'argent de poche pour y aller souvent. And I do not have enough pocket money to go often there. Now, this sentence is difficult, okay? You can make it simpler. Of course, you could say « Je n'ai pas assez d'argent de poche pour aller au cinéma ». That works too. But here, what makes the examiner impressed by you is the fact that you have added this pronoun e, and you've added an extra difficulty, such as this adverb here. So that makes this answer really clever. So, cependant, les billets de cinéma coûtent cher, okay? Les billets de cinéma, tickets de cinéma, cost a lot of money. They are expensive, cher. Et Je n'ai pas assez d'argent. So we are using a negation here. I do not have enough pocket money. Argent de poche. Okay? Poche means pocket. Argent means money. Pour y aller souvent. To go there often. Okay? J'aime aussi. I also like. So you can develop. Regarder. I do like to watch mes séries préférées. And again, here I'm going to use pink. Mes is plural, okay? But série is pink. That means it's feminine and that reflects there, okay? So the fact that I'm using double ES, it's because série is feminine plural, okay? So j'aime aussi regarder mes séries préférées. And here we've got par contre, again, you know, we've got cependant, we've got néanmoins, we've got par contre. However, les gens, people, les gens téléchargent. Now try to learn this because that may be relevant for the technology bit as well that you need to cover as part of the exam. So télécharger means to download, okay? So people download films illegally. And here, look at the adverb illégalement. It's not complicated. If you saw that in the text, you would know that it means illegally. So, les gens téléchargent les films illégalement. OK. Je suis complètement contre tout ça. I am completely against all of that. Now, again, this is an idiom that, as part of all other idioms that you can learn, it's very good to insert one in your answer whenever possible, okay? And learn them. Learn them by heart if necessary and put them when possible in your answer. Not one answer, one idiom. One idiom can fit so many different answers, okay? So this is the answer. Have a look at it properly and try to choose and pick what you think is relevant to you. Okay, you might not agree with me, and you might want to say, actually, I much prefer television because, okay? But it's up to you. But try to use as many connectives, as many adverbs, as many different tenses, as many different idioms than you can, negations if you can, modal verbs if you can, and so on, etc., etc. Okay, that's it for me. Join us on Instagram. That would be lovely to see you there. And subscribe and spread the word. Tell people that there is this awesome channel that provide awesome videos about the GCSE exam. Okay, au revoir. Have a look at the playlist. That's it. Au revoir. Bisous, bisous.